The birds and squirrels are caught inside the bubbles. As they float away, they look a little scared,
We'll get you out.
bouncing gently against the bubble walls. Goldie and the goats try to jump and bite the bubbles.
Here is
These
the
bubbles are
prickly plan.
indestructible.
We must cross those golden dunes. That is where they are holding our friend. We are ready!
In the center of the dunes, they find a majestic cactus wearing a crown made of desert flowers. He looks very grumpy because some bubbles have gotten stuck on his needles, making him float slightly off the ground. Goldie tries to pull the bubbles away from the king's needles so he can land. Grateful, the Cactus King agrees to help. The friends sit together as the last of the giant bubbles drift away into the sunset. The forest is safe and colourful once more.